Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are showing you our latest market at the Afronesia Festival. We loved being around other Pacific businesses, and we loved seeing the Pacific cultures and Pacific communities together with the African communities in Melbourne to come together and bring about and share their businesses, share their cultures, and just have fun together in a safe and inspiring event. So this is going to highlight some of the things that we loved at the Afronesia Festival and enjoyed while having our stall at the Afronesia Festival in 2021.
I've been saying we move, it ain't a phrase, it's a brand, y'all don't get it, we do. Man, that's the name for the plans, we been setting the mood. The Game Boy, we advanced it, we playing for two. I told Max, go and send this through. I'm nice with it, so you know that I'ma do what I do. Oh, nah, I ain't a hater like you, so bow down, the MAD Benz greater than you. Round here we show love, round here we show out. From the east to the west side, the north side, even when we down south. Round here we pull up. You know how it goes down. Round here, you know we already been. Put the city on our back, now it's time to put the city on the map. Burn City, what's up? Hey, Burn City, what's up?
States with all the archaeologists, and it's surprising with what we find in the landscape. We find
talk to you, be the one that you come running to. The thought of you, something new. The thought of you, I'm over you. I know, girl, trying to talk to you, be the one. Repeat after me. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Look, round here we show love. Round here we show out. From the east to the west side, the north side, even when we down south. Round here we pull up. You know how it goes down. Round here you know we already been. Put the city on our back, now it's time to put the city on the map. Look, it was a clear black night, clear white moon. Brenda had a baby, I was baby number 2. Out in Box Hill, just a baby in the womb. But now it's west side till they lay me in the tomb. Burn City's Fresh Prince, y'all already know it. From the 3K, never been afraid to show it. Changing up the game, what they know about Samoans probably think I got a shiv, how the media be showing SJ. Nah, I don't portray that role, but Lord knows that's gotta take my soul. Whether 9 to 5 grind, or haters talking about me online, that's why I be working most of the time.
Officer, are you ready for this? You know, when you're on duty, you have to be ready for anything. Yes. Okay. All right. Gotta make sure you bend those knees. Yeah. You should be fit because that's how you get into the police. Right? Bend the knees. Knock those knees together. Wow. Man, I want to go and train to be a policeman. All right. Over to you.
Yeah. Trying to be grown, but the city that I'm from got me feeling like a boy in these streets. Aiming for the throne, but the city I put on got me up every night, I can't sleep. Trying to be strong, but the crown getting heavy and it's hard for me to stay on my feet. Trying to be grown, but the city that I'm from got me feeling like a boy in these streets. Been growing up, through the years and years I've been through enough. Shifted gears and here I'm near blowing up. Man, I used to fear the tears appearing and such. I done lost touch for a minute. Man, we came from nothing, I wonder how we did it. Used to blame the struggle, but now the scales tipping. Never was afraid to hustle, and that's what made a difference. I've been on the ground for a long time. I was online, taking any kind of job I could get. I was knocking doors for a while, getting slammed in my face. That was what I had to do to pay the rent. Fast forward to the present, and they still trying to shut me out. Well, I don't mind, I ain't never needed y'all to make it this far without your help. But it still got me fucked up, cause I'm trying to be grown, but the city that I'm from got me feeling like a boy in these streets. Aiming for the throne, but the city I put on got me up every night, I can't sleep. Trying to be strong, but the crown getting heavy and it's hard for me to stay on my feet. Trying to be grown, but the city that I'm from got me feeling like a boy in these streets.
She would let me understand the context I was being raised in. That I'm being raised in a hostile environment that I have to tame. I was sensitive.